It is said in the morning when you wake up, before getting up from the bed, find out from which nostril you are breathing out. Then wake up, get up and put that foot on the floor. If it's the left foot, suppose I'm left nostril and or what you call exhaling air, put the left foot on the ground and put the left hand also, bring in the right foot, right hand and pray. Earth, we call it Dharti Mata. Thank you, Dharti Mata. Means we are grateful to you that we are taking the advantage of yours. Then hold your two hands like this. Say a mantra. Mantra is very simple. Karagre vasate Lakshmi, Karmadhye Saraswati, Karmule Govinda, Prabhate Kar Darshanam. After saying that, rub your hands, put on your eyes. The meaning of this mantra is, we are saying, in our hand, the Lakshmi, that is money. Layman will call it money. We call it Lakshmi. Lakshmi stays in this. Kragre vasate Lakshmi, Karmadhye Saraswati, Karmule Govinda. Means in my thumbs, God resides. In the morning, you have darshana. This is a one. It is said that if this mantra is said every day, you won't be short of money. Money will be with you all the time. That's all. Try it out. What do you lose?
Thank you.
Karagre, remember the words again. Karagre vasate Lakshmi. Vasate means rehti hai. Karagre means haath. Vasate Lakshmi. Karmadhye Saraswati. Karmule Govinda. Prabhate Kar Darshanam. Means सुबह को दर्शन करो. प्रभाते कर darshanam. Means do darshan in the morning. This is all what you told. Try it out.
Fabulous.
Remember it now, you tell me what you say. You say it out with your mouth. No, but enough, switch it off that.